This guide will walk you through the full process operation of Falcon Conveyor TC1, from unpacking and installation to engraving, in various modes. Unboxing and installation. First, unbox and check the accessories. The positioning plate is installed on the conveyor belt and fixed with screws. The positioning block is fixed on the Creality Falcon T1 base plate with screws. Place the entire Falcon Conveyor TC1 unit on the Creality Falcon T1 base plate. Align it with the positioning block holes and secure it with screws. Then connect the dedicated data cable. Conveyor processing large format engraving. After turning on the machine, securely place the material flat on the conveyor belt. Pull down the protective cover, which stays about 5 millimeters above the material. Open Falcon design space. Automatically recognize Falcon Conveyor TC1 and default to conveyor belt processing, large format engraving. Click on autofocus. Import the engraved pattern. Set the size of the pattern and place it on the engraving material. Choose the system's preset parameters according to the material type. Once finished, click on autofocus and frame to confirm the engraving area. If everything is correct, click Start Engraving. Conveyor belt processing batch engraving. When batch engraving, first place the materials on the conveyor belt, then select Conveyor belt processing batch engraving in the software. The first step is to frame the material. Start by clicking autofocus. Then click Smart Fill at the top. The second step is to take a photo. And the third step is to center the engraving design on the material. And click Start. The device will sequentially recognize the materials and complete the engraving on the materials placed on the conveyor belt, greatly saving repetitive operation time, making it suitable for large-scale production scenarios. Finished product display.